How to show or enable taskbar on multiple displays. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to show taskbar on multiple displays. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your settings by simply heading over to the search bar and just open up your settings. So once you're inside here, finally click on this search bar of your settings once again and search in for taskbar settings. So once you're searching for taskbar settings, just tap on this and you should find the option called taskbar behavior. Just tap on this, enlarge it, and you should be able to check this show my taskbar on all displays. So if you're not being shown, you can simply disable all of these options and try launching it, and once you enable this option, your issue should be fixed. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.